Hi there, welcome to IELTS Teachers. In today's video, I will teach you how to use standard form on a scientific calculator. Right, at the moment I've written 5 times the 10 squared times the 7 times by 10 to the power of 4, and the answer I get is 35 million. But I wanted the answer to be written in the standard form. What I need to do is I will press Shift and then Mode button, and then I can see number 7 says SCI, scientific form or standard form. So I press 7 and then it's going to ask me so how many significant figures I need there. And at the moment, like I can see 35, there were only 2 non-zero digits. So that's why in this case, I think it's advisable if I just write 2 there. Then it's going to write up to 2 significant figures, which is 3.5 times the 10 to the power of 7.